Hello guys, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel as I apply with Moin. Today we are going to them several functions, minimum, minimum A, minimum A, maximum, maximum A and maximum MINIFS. So this is a demo data set from supposed to sales, such care stop cardigan is discovered prof with quantity and status as a column. So here I used some more data, state, city, true result. This is the minimum of S2 till S15. As you can see, S2 till S15, it will give me 7. And this is the minimum of S2 to S18, having state, city, and true. It will also give me 7. And here is the minimum A of S2 till S15. This will also give me 7. But here there is a trick. If I have the minimum A of S2 to the S18, including scarce, city, and true, this will mean 0, but here it is 0. And if I can give 2, there's hiding wrong. And they miss 7, because you made in the case of minimum, stairs, tricky, and true are not compared. And if I pick, way of that air in, there is 2 other, which is 1. The 2 is treated as 1. Now, if I take max of as 13 to the H18, from 911 to 2, maximum mean 911. And if I pick max of S16 to H18 degree 1, as true version is 1. And if I take max of A, H14 to H80, it will give me 408. Now let us talk about minimum if function. So here I will do minimum ifs, minimum range. This is my minimum range. Wow. This is my minimum range. Criteria range 1. This is my birthday hunting. Criteria 1. Since for here. Criteria is true. Is the criteria is true? Criteria is A-verbs. Fnumer tables is mine 58 in the 5th row. However, tables is mine in the whole. We know in a minute again. Whereas maximum, if I just got copy the formula, maximum wall for the tables of for between 950 here. $950. This is a lot. You see all the word minimum big than well it's maximum I've said and your map says function. In the next video, I've been within a board with agents, one function, more than function, etc. Get either absolutely well of us, and please do let me repeat the third product channel. Thank you.